scientists are changing the way big data is used in different institutions. Big data is everywhere, but without the right person to interpret it, it means nothing. So where do business find these people to help change their business? You could be that person. It has become a universal truth that businesses are full of data. With the use of big data, the U.S. healthcare could reduce their healthcare spending by $300 billion to $450 billion. It can easily be seen that the value of big data lies in the analysis and processing of that data, and that's where data science comes in.